Fourth lesson of Geography, Agriculture. Earlier we discussed the major crops cultivated in India. Now we will describe about the technological and institutional reforms done in agriculture by our government. So many reforms are done by our government to increase the crop production, such as the major reforms are first stage collectivization and consolidation of land holdings. In the collectivization and consolidation, the size of land become large, and on this we can use the new techniques or new type of irrigation method as well as technology. Zamindari system has been abolished by our government just after independence for the safety of the small farmers. And after independence, agriculture reforms mainly done, that is the Green Revolution. Green Revolution came in agriculture. What is Green Revolution? Green Revolution means increase in agriculture production by using the new technology or new methods, like by using HYV seeds, fertilizer, pesticides and new means of irrigation. Green Revolution came in different crops in India after independence, and first it came in wheat. And Green Revolution is associated with White Revolution also. Our government has started crop insurance also. Crop insurance facility has been started by the government against drought, flood, cyclone and fire. So when the crops are damaged by any type of the disaster, the the provision or facility given to the farmer as the crop insurance. Grameen banks are opened in India and many cooperative societies also started in India. Grameen banks and cooperative societies provide loan to the villagers at low interest rate. So we can say banks, they are giving the low interest loan facility to the farmer so they can increase the agriculture production. For the welfare of the farmers, many other schemes also started, like Kisan Credit Card, Personal Insurance Accident Scheme, and on TV and radio, so many special programs are started for the welfare of the farmers, such as weather bulletins, they are telecast, and many agriculture programs to give knowledge to the farmers has been started by our government. Government has started to announce the MSP of the crop. MSP, minimum support price. Minimum support price that is announced by our government for the welfare of the farmers before coming the crop in the market or before sowing the crop by the farmer. So minimum support price that saves the farmers from their exploitation.